Suraj finally finds a way to uncover Akash's secrets. With the help of a trusted friend, he gains access to crucial information and secretly contacts Akash while pretending to be someone else. During the conversation, Akash unknowingly reveals a truth that leaves Suraj completely shocked. He admits that his marriage to Isha has not taken place yet. The revelation brings back memories that Suraj can never forget. He realizes that fate had already connected him and Isha long ago. Determined to save her, Suraj continues the conversation and cleverly tricks Akash into revealing the secret location where the wedding is about to happen. Meanwhile, Akash arrives to take Isha to the wedding venue. However, Isha refuses to go with him. She boldly declares that Suraj is her husband and that no one can take his place in her heart. Akash expected this reaction. To break her resistance, he makes a cruel threat. He claims that Kaveri is being held captive and warns Isha that she may never see her mother again if she refuses to marry him. Faced with an impossible choice, Isha sacrifices her own happiness for her mother's safety. With tears in her eyes, she agrees to the marriage, even though her heart belongs only to Suraj. At the same time, Suraj reveals the entire truth to Arav. The shocking revelations fill Arav with anger as he learns how Akash manipulated and ruined the lives of the people he loves. Determined to stop him, Arav joins forces with Suraj. Suraj knows that defeating Akash will require patience and strategy. He warns Arav to stay calm and focus on exposing the truth. Soon afterward, Suraj contacts Akash and delivers a chilling warning. He tells him that his lies are about to be exposed and that the day of reckoning has finally arrived. The warning shakes Akash. Fear begins to consume him, especially when he discovers that Suraj is still alive. Realizing the danger he is facing, Akash tightens security around the wedding location and surrounds himself with loyal men. Rescuing Isha and Kaveri now becomes a dangerous mission. Every step carries risk, but Suraj refuses to back down. Elsewhere, Isha suddenly feels that someone is standing outside her room. Hope fills her heart as she imagines that Suraj has finally returned. She rushes to the door and opens it with excitement, only to find Banti standing there. As Banti enters the room, he notices that every corner is filled with memories of Suraj. Photographs and cherished keepsakes reveal just how deeply Isha still loves him. Banti has come with life-changing news. He tells Isha that Suraj is alive. The revelation overwhelms her with happiness. Tears stream down her face as she struggles to believe that the man she has been waiting for is finally back. She immediately wants to meet him, but Banti urges her to be patient. He promises that very soon she and Suraj will be reunited forever. While Isha clings to hope, Suraj prepares his most important move. A clever plan is set into motion, and Akash walks straight into the trap. Believing he is speaking to a trusted ally, he unknowingly reveals his secrets and exposes his true intentions. Suraj secretly records everything. At last, he has the evidence needed to expose Akash and Gulab Singh before everyone. With the truth finally in his hands, Suraj decides it is time to step out of the shadows. The battle is about to enter its final phase. The hunter is no longer the one being chased. Now the tables have turned. But one question remains unanswered. When the truth comes out, will Gulab Singh once again use Kaveri as a shield to protect himself and Akash? Or will Suraj finally rescue his loved ones and put an end to all the conspiracies against him?